Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, GT Racers. Today is Saturday. Usually I post videos on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. But I didn't do it yesterday because today I will do something special. Well, today I am going with, of course, my lovely wife and my little dog to I think you could call it a old cars market. It's more like, in Swedish we call it a loppis, a second-hand market where everyone can come and sell anything old and used. But this is specific for cars, for old cars, old spare parts, collectible things for old cars, or other things that are retro and about mechanics. Cars, motorcycles, mopeds. I have never been to this market before. It takes about 1 hour to drive with the car, but I think it would be kind of cool and interesting. So come with me now and let's go to town, not to town, to the market. Bye. Now we have arrived at Värnans Nysäter, and this is the entrance to the used car market. Look at this. This is a beautiful old Swedish motorcycle called the Swallow. There you see. Machine AB Jan Eriksson in Falun who made this. It's a very classic old Swedish motorcycle. They actually had them for racing. So they look like an old racing bicycle. Very cool. This is the parking for the fine cars, finbilsparkering. And look at this. We have a lot of old veteran cars. And look at this old Audi. Oh, it's so cute. So cool. But I love Italian car more, of course. Yeah. Here we have fat Cadillac. And look at this. So beautiful. Yeah. An old Ford Escort. Classic. When I was old, this was very popular, but now they're so old. Oh, it's a convertible too. And here we have an amazing Cadillac Fleetwood limousine. Look at the size of it. This is not a car. This is like a, I don't know, battleship or something like that. Look at the size. It's like, I don't know, 7 meters long. And of course, it's not renovated at all. It's like original everything. So you see, it's a bad shape, but it's beautiful. Imagine being a rich person in this 70 years ago. Yeah, beautiful Mercedes, but this was very good condition. Look at that. The famous Volvo Amazon. So cool. Here we have a Volvo 240. It's from Germany. It's a racing car. I don't know which company, but they use it for racing. Here you have the name of the race drivers. But it's beautiful. Do they really use this for racing? Yes, of course, look at that. They have been in many rally classics all over Germany, everything. And you see the real sport chairs. Oh, look at this old T Ford. They have it like the old style hot rods. The big V8. So cool. I think I would buy this one. Drive my kids in it. What do you think?
Give my hand. Oh, very
Love.
good. The Adams
we need,
family car.
you know, we need an old hot rod.
What?
No. Ah, never mind. A hot rod.
Okay, hot water.
Now we're back. You see a lot of people. They're selling different classical things, repairs. Also, like bumpers, hubcaps, steering wheels. Very cool. You can find like almost anything retro that's about cars and motorcycles. Trust me, I'm a doctor. Oh, look at these. The old Ghostbusters ambulance. I think this is more like a party car. And more things. Old truck. This was a lot of spare parts. Oh Jesus, look at all this. Maybe I could find something for my Alfa. This is mostly Champion. Oh, what do we have here? Champion? More fuses? Not fuses. I mean 10 stift. Spark plugs. It's a very small Austin engine. Look at this. It's so small. It's more like a motorcycle engine. Oh, it's so cute and cool. I don't know to which car it was. Here you have the gearbox. Now we have Dani making a video too for her channel, and with the baby. I don't know what she's talking about. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She says speaks only in Portuguese, of course. So, hello, who are you? Are you also making a video?
Hello,
are you a YouTuber?
Yeah,
no.
My name is Daniela. I have a channel in your
A restoration project. And here you can see they have the pictures, the different parts, and here they're making the, I don't know what to call that. You see, everything is wood inside. Look at the beautiful. Oh, it's so cool, it's a project like this. Yeah. Actually, I don't know which kind of truck this is. But it's so cool to see. And now we are finally home. Everyone, wife, dog, and myself, of course. It was a fun day. It was cold today, a lot of wind, and we were freezing our butts off. But it was fun today. But on the way home, I went to Biltema. It's I talked about it in some other video. It's a big store where you can buy a lot of different things to cars. And I did some acquisitions. I will show you. It will be for later videos. Of course, I bought like this. This is for what you call it, sunscreen film, to make the car looks cooler with a little bit 10% black film on the windows. That will be one video. This is for the rear lights. You know, they are red, and this is a spray that will make them look much darker. It's not legal, of course, but never mind. It will look cool on the car. This is for rims. My old winter rims are very bad. I can either throw them away and buy new winter rims, or I will try and repair them, try to clean them and spray them, and maybe they will look okay again, at least for one more winter. So this will be one video. I'm not the richest man in the world, and I don't want to change the brakes on my car just yet, but my brother did it on his Mercedes. He was repairing the brakes and he painted them, you know, green. So I bought here a spray can for brakes, but this looks yellow, as you can see, but this is red, so we will make red brakes. I don't know how good it is, but let's try it. And lastly, very low price. Perhaps it was a really bad bargain, but I bought a sport air intake induction. So this will be very interesting to see. Put in the car. Hopefully it will maybe sound a little bit cooler with the breathing, and maybe a little bit faster response on the gas pedal. I don't know. But this is for later videos. I just wanted to show you what I'm planning. So, thank you for watching the video, and please watch all my other videos, and see you soon again. Goodbye.